Hello, how are you?
Good. How about you?
One moment, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you share screen, please.
Okay. Uh,
So your name is Kingston.
yeah. Wait a second. Let me share my screen. Uh, well, I have to. I'll leave and rejoin because my computer's not letting me share my screen. Give me a second, okay?
Okay, okay. Okay, you share the screen, please.
Okay.
You have a Macintosh. Okay, that's good. So first, I need a browser. Where's your browser?
Uh, yeah. What do you want to search? Just
I
Blue.
want to surf for internet.
Okay. Oh, I already downloaded it.
You installed it already?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, then we don't need it. We don't need anything else.
Okay.
But you installed Java before or no?
Java. I
Java
don't think.
JDK.
I didn't download that.
So yours should be, let's see.
It should be I think it's the X64 DMJ, the bottom one. Yeah,
This one, right?
yeah.
I downloaded it. Is Peacock or no? I cannot see your computer whether it's downloaded or not. Downloading or not.
Wait a second. Uh, it's downloading.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, one moment.
Mm. It's done. Oh no, I think it's the.下载错了，
Hmm?
应该是第二个。
This one?
Sorry. No, no here. I think we downloaded the wrong one. It's wait. Go back to the website.
Anyway, this one probably doesn't work.
Yeah, no, it's the other file. It's the second one. ARM64 DMG, I think.
Yeah, I think this should be this one.
Yeah.
You have to know about your processor, otherwise you actually don't know which one you should download.
Yeah.
I'm not sure which processor you have.
Mm.
Oh yeah, actually Even if you are using M4 or M3, it should be this ARM one.
Oh. Oh, okay, it's done.
Okay.
Give
You
me.
need password. Okay. I think that actually we don't need it. Okay. This one is historic. So next one, let's see. Did you have a Visual Studio Code or not?
Yeah, I have Visual Studio.
Okay, then we probably don't need anything else. That's it.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
you are
Thank you.
done. Thank you. Hi, Sherry, how are you?
I'm good.
Okay, Sherry, your turn, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Krista, you're done, okay?
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye. Sherry, your turn.
Okay.
What you need to install today?
Um.
You have BlueJ before, you have,
Mhm.
did you install the Python already or no?
No, I don't think so.
Okay, so you need to download the Python.
Let me just check. Is it this one? Wait.
Yeah, you downloaded already. I think you have it already.
Okay. Yeah.
You have the Python already. So
Is there anything else I need to download?
let me check.
Mhm.
Can you allow me to access your computer? I cannot.
Yeah. Wait. Oh, I see. Never mind.
Let me check, okay? Your this PC, your C drive. You have 64. But where is your idle? So open it. I think probably not installed by me.
Oh, yeah. Probably.
Maybe.
Mhm.
Maybe you install before, but it's not installed. But it's okay. Let me check, okay? So I actually don't know where it is right now. Let me see. Actually call. It's not in the programs. So it may be in this PC, C drive, user, sharing. And then right here, let's see if there's a Python on that. Let me try another way. Okay. I don't know who installed for you, but look like it's not me install it for you.
Yeah.
That's creative. Alerted. I'm sorry. You do have a Python. Okay. Let's assume that your Python is working. So let's do pip install h zero. Okay. Pip install pickled. Pip install. I can. One moment, okay? Let me check my computer. Let me check my computer, okay? There are some other things you need to install. One moment, okay?
Okay.
Some okay. One moment, okay. I cannot copy, so I may need to type it one by one. Okay, one moment. I'm sorry, I'm trying to arrange the window. Okay, one moment. I need to be able to see two screens. So it's pip install dash user numpy scipy netprolite Python Jupyter and plus UP nodes. Let me check one more time, okay? PIP install dash numpy scipy netprolite IPython JUPYTER pandas simpy nodes. Okay, good. Oh, so you got the Visual Studio Code, you got this one. I think you are okay. after installing this, okay?
Okay.
It doesn't hurt, it's okay. The yellow one, no, just a warning, it's okay. Okay, let me check if you have the Visual, okay, you got Visual Studio Code. Okay, wait until it's done, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you stand by, okay? I'll come back.
Okay, yeah.
Next one, let me have Benjamin. Benjamin, your turn.
Okay, so
Share your screen.
yeah, okay, 1 second. Um, yeah, yeah. Just yeah, sure. Wait, why is it here? So where do I go? Oh,
Or move. So first thing you need to install is Min62. You need to install Min62. So you are going to download the installer, your PC, so this is fine. And then we can run it. So Sherry, if you are done, you are okay.
So should I just like wait for it to finish downloading and I can leave?
Yeah, if you are actually downloaded already, your screen is downloaded, you are done.
Okay. Thank you.
You can be quick, you can leave, okay? If,
no, they left. Okay.
it takes some time, okay?
Okay.
So you're done. Okay,
Okay.
so move, okay?
All right.
I can barely see. Can you check a bigger font? It's really too small for me.
Huh? Here,
This
you
is
want-
text.
yeah, do you want me to change the font so it's bigger?
change the bigger font. Yeah, this really is too small for me. I cannot see.
Is that good enough?
Yeah. This is better, much better.
Okay, no worries.
One moment, okay?
Yeah.
I need to type something for you as well. Okay, so next one. Copy. I cannot copy this. Okay, I need to type. One moment, okay?
Yeah.
So it's called Pacman. SSYU dash disable dash download out. Okay, then yes. Did you continue or no?
No, not sure. Oh, do you need to click enter?
Yeah. Wait. You kind of drop it, but it's okay.
Guess it just got stuck. Hmm.
Okay, we are back. One more time, okay?
Okay.
It's called Pacman. SSYU dash disable dash download dash timeout, okay? And don't move, okay?
Yeah.
Really strange. Last time I typed Y, but it doesn't go. Type a Y, okay? your font. Oh, a little bit too big. Can you check a smaller one, a little bit smaller one? The previous one is too big.
Smaller one, so you want a smaller font?
Yeah,
This-
all the way 24. Yeah, 24, 24.
Okay.
Okay. Better about the cheat sheet. Okay.
Okay.
No, not done yet. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So this one, okay, so far we are going to install this one called. Let me see, let me move up a little bit. So right here, let me see one moment.
I think Chrome tab closed.
So this one's called Pacman HS mean GW dash W64 dash X86 underline 64 HTCC. Oh, so this one is a C double plus compiler.
Ah, okay.
Let it go, okay? Let it keep going.
Yeah.
Okay, one moment now.
Okay.
Pacman again, HS mean GW minus W64 dash X86 underline 64 minus GDB GNU data debugger. Okay, it's debugger. In GW minus W64 minus X86 underline 64 minus GDB. Go. I need to check several times because I'm not sure I type correctly. Okay, if we type wrong, it not
Yeah. It might download like a virus or something.
yeah, we actually have to be careful. Not virus, but actually it will waste your time. It won't go anyway. So this is debugger. This version is called GNU C, GNU C double plus. Okay, it has a C and C double plus compiler. We are installing them. So both C compiler and C double plus compiler will be installed today. It can only be done by manual installation, so
Mm,
take a while. Be patient, okay?
yeah.
Okay, one more. Next one is Pacman -S GW minus W64 minus X86 underline 64 dash make. So you can see that it's always min GW. Min GW is minimum version of the GNU Windows. So minimum GW. Dash W64 is like Windows 64 version.
Yeah.
Minus X86 is the CPU.
The architecture.
Underline 64 bit. The program name is called Mac. Okay, so that's what we want to install. Oh. One more, okay. After this one more. Next one. Admin dash S min GW minus W64 minus X86 underline 64 minus boost. This one's the boosting package. It's actually a library for C double plus, make the program stronger.
Okay.
That's about it. So next one, we are going to go to this min64, go to min64, go to bin. So that's the directory you have. Here you have, let's go down. You look at the GDB, you look at the GCC, you look at the G++. These are the program you need for C double plus. So this is C drive, min64, min GW64 underline bin. So let's copy this path. Let's copy this path. Okay.
Okay.
And then you need to go to setting. Bring up the setting program. So the min64 one, this one we are done. So this one we are going to, this one is actually done, okay? This one is done, so we don't need it anymore. We can actually close it. Okay, next one we are going to go to the setting.
I think we're already in settings.
So we are going to do range system
That one?
setting. And then environment variable. Click on the environment variable. Yeah, then you find this one, find path. PATH.
Path? This thing?
No, on the lower.
Oh,
window.
here, Oracle, this thing.
Yeah, let's create new. Can you click on new? So let me see, let me try to pass to. You cannot pass, so let's do C. Can you type in C column backslash single backslash essentially okay. So MSYS2
Like
slash
that?
then WinGW 64 slash
Wow.
one more slash, yeah, BIN binary bin. Okay, click OK. Click OK.
Does there not need to be program files or anything?
No,
Okay.
let me check one more time. Initially, that will show you. Click OK on the setting. So that's the path we have here. Oh, actually, it's a min 64. Not min 62, min 64. Min GW 64 bin. Okay, I'm sorry. So that we need to change it. I'm sorry. Click on the environment label, find the path.
Environment variables.
Yes, find the path on the lower part. PATH. Okay, change the last one. Go to the last one. Click edit. So it's min 64, not min 62. No, not that one. The first one, min 6, MSYS 64.
Oh, so it's 64.
Yes, min GW 64 slash B. Okay, click OK. Click OK, clear. Click OK.
Oh, double okay, right. I forgot.
Okay, I'm trying to get you a full screen size. Right now, the screen is too small. Okay. Next one, we are going to go to C drive. C drive. This PC, let me try. You have big F drive. It's called F drive.
That's an external, I think.
That's external.
Yeah. OS would be the main drive. I mean, if you need more space, then that's fine.
I don't need too much space. I just want to try a C program. So find a directory that you commonly use.
I mean, just anywhere or
Where to store your C program.
I mean, I guess just just put it in here. I guess this is where I usually put it. C++ program, I guess. Oh, I can't type. Yeah, I guess that'll work. Think that'll work? I'm not sure. Or do I need, or does it need to be somewhere specifically?
Next one, let me check if you do have the Visual Studio Code or not.
Oh, what is that? Uh, Visual Studio Code.
I just need a browser. You actually
Oh,
use system
you're
too
just open up a new
complicated.
tab. Right there. I think I already have VSC. I'm not sure though. Do I? So wait, do I not already have Visual? I already do have it. Well, I guess I might need to update it, but I do have the app.
Yeah, then we don't need to install the new one.
That is slow.
Where you put your C double plus programs?
Right there, right there. Oh, downloads, right there. C++ program. Yeah.
Okay. So let's close this one. Create a new program. Let's call it A-C. You have PowerShell. Okay. Okay, your program work. This is tiny hello program work.
Okay, that's good.
We
That's
compile it and it pass. Okay.
yeah.
I think C double plus should also work. So you are fine right now for C double plus now. Any question?
No.
No.
Yeah.
Okay. You need anything else?
Is there any other programs I need to install?
I don't
Otherwise,
know.
don't
Up to
think so.
you.
I don't think so. Unless there's any other programs I still need to
Okay.
install.
Let me know if you need anything else. Okay. Some other time. Okay. See you next time. Bye bye.
Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Cho. All
Okay.
right. Have